So guys, I want to make a video of how to install those aftermarket fog lights, the one from eBay for like 60 bucks, and that comes with the cables and whatever, the cheap switch and basically, you know, the whole stuff. But usually people end up buying the original Nissan switch. And by the way, in this truck everything was pre-wired, but what you have to do, you see, this is the cheap switch that thing, you know, goes with. And this is the wires. So the black one and the red one on this side, you just pull in on the side. The yellow on the right side, I guess, and the red one. I did a pins on mine, but you can just solder the wires and mold like sort of pins or whatever. Will be easier for you to push it in. And this is the switch from the fog lights. So what you have to do, it's hard to do with one hand, but hold on a second. So this is the switch facing this way. So you're putting the red wire here, and then the yellow right here, just like this. Hold on, let me pull away. Okay, that was the little operation. So look, see, facing this way you have the yellow wire on the bottom, and then the red one on the top left. I don't know, one before. And you see, this is the cheap switch. I just plug this thing direct, and you can just, you see, this is how I just get the thing loose. And by the way, everything works except this light. It's just too bright. If you use the other couple cables, you can have this thing activated, but it's just too bright. And you see the actually light on the dashboard also comes on and comes off. So you know, when you switch, it's on and off, on and off, and on and off. I hope this will help, because I look everywhere on YouTube and everywhere, and you know what? It's no info. So basically, you're pulling the whatever, one of those plastics out. You use a screwdriver and stuff. Oh, actually, this one's sort of it blinks a little bit. I don't know what's going on. Well, I doubt it. But anyway, this is how you connect the thing, and that thing should just work. So once again, yellow to the bottom right, the red one to the I don't know, right here, whatever you see. You know, and see the cheap switch from eBay. It's installed. The whole kit is installed. In my truck, everything was pre-wired. Otherwise, you have to pull some wires. Hope this will help.